Hi, it's Martin here at Southport Automart. Let me start by showing you some of our cars. There's many more that are just working their way through the preparation system. We've got that that's just landed, the F-Pace that's just landed, so yeah, we're pretty buoyant at the moment. That next door is the parent Honda dealer that provides us with the bulk of our cars in part exchange. They also do our servicing, pre-delivery inspections, safety checks, any other mechanical preparation all happens there. And then are we ready? Look at this! It's a 2015 65 BMW 530d M Sport Touring. And are you ready for this? Full BMW service history with 81,000 miles on the clock. Now, I've told you it's done 81,000 miles, and let's look around the car and see if you agree with that. Before I move on, we've got some options. We've got sport seats, anthracite headlining, a few other little small bits. We've got LED front fog lights as well. That's not where the LED obsession ends on this car either. I've got loads more to show you about. But first and foremost, we always make sure we show you any bad bits on the car as well as the good bits. So let's have a look round now. And my first port of call is usually the alloy wheels, but there's not going to be an issue on there because there's an invoice that only of August last year, all four wheels were refurbished and then re-powder coated. So they're absolutely spotless and they look stunning. Privacy tints, rear parking sensors, the twin pipes on the back. Again, Goodyear tyres on, so we've got a good brand of tyres. This really is a car that's been well looked after, and I am struggling to fault it, I will be totally honest. There's a little mark just on the front bumper there. There we go, it's the size of my pen, you can see how small it is. A few little stone chips on the bonnet, there. They have all been touched in, and there's a touch-up stick in the glove box, BMW genuine one of the colour. Honestly, I'm really trying to be super critical. No scuffs on the wing mirrors. It's just a lovely car. Look inside this boot as well. If you've not seen a 5 Series before, got a boot liner. Sorts of people that buy boot liners are the sorts of people who want to look after the cars, aren't they? These rear seats just fold down as easy as that. 1, 2, and then it's a power tailgate as well. I thought that would be an option, but it's not. It's standard on this car. Let's get inside. And I'm going to just start it up, and I've left this out. Inside there, receipts and invoices galore. There's the receipt for the diamond cutting, the re-powder coating of the wheel. And then look in here, all the boxes, because we've got LED upgrades for loads of the interior lights and LED door projectors as well. All done BMW, all fitted by BMW. All the invoices are in there as well. Let me show you this. Vehicle information, status, service requirements, service history. So let's have a look at that. 17, 16,212 miles, 18, 31,958 miles, 18 again, but in December, so it's more like almost a 19 service there, but it's 49,320 miles. Then we've got September of 19, 66,943 miles. And then December of 19, 73,035, give or take, let's call that January 20. It's due its 21 service, which it will get by us prior to delivery, along with a fresh MOT with no advisories. 81,071 on the clock. Auto lights, wipers, cruise control with speed limiter, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors with a visual display, touch button start stop, 2 keys. There's the anthracite headlining. LED lights at the front and back as well. I've just been photographing this car, and you see an 81,000 mile BMW and you think, okay, it's going to be a nice car, but there's going to be a few bits and pieces. But honestly, I think you could just as easily think this car's done 8,000 miles, and hopefully that comes across in the video. As always, if you want any more pictures or videos, then don't hesitate to get in touch. We'll do what we can to help you out. You can call us, email us, text us, live chat, WhatsApp, whatever you prefer. And then we've also got free nationwide delivery. We've also got click and collect, so if you can't get to us for any reason, we can get to you, and we're happy to give you a price for your part exchange, and we're happy to work you out a finance quote. I hope this video has been very informative. I hope you've enjoyed watching it, and if this is the car for you, you're going to enjoy driving it as well. It's a stunning bit of kit. Thanks very much. My name's been Martin, and thanks for watching.